Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home insurance discounts in State Farm beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify home insurance discounts in State Farm, start by visiting their official website. Locate the Insurance tab on the home page. Click on Home Insurance from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the section on discounts. Read through the available discounts listed for home insurance. Make a note of the discounts that apply to your situation. Next, log into your State Farm account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, navigate to your policy information. Look for a section labeled Discounts or Policy Options. Here, you will see the discounts that you may be eligible for. If you need clarification, use the chat feature for assistance. Alternatively, call State Farm customer service to inquire directly. Prepare your policy number for reference during the call. Ask the representative to confirm your eligibility for specific discounts. If eligible, ask how these discounts will affect your premium. Once you have all the information, take notes for future reference. Consider applying the eligible discounts directly through your account. Review your policy to see the updated premium with discounts applied. Remember to save or print your updated policy for your records. Regularly check for new discounts each year as your situation may change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.